Welcome to Physical Education. Today we're gonna tackling about the three types of sports. So these are the objectives. Develop fundamental skills, techniques, strategies specific to individual, dual, combative sports which we are gonna tackle later. Enhance physical fitness components such as strength, endurance, agility, coordination, and reflexes through diverse sports activities. Promote effective communication, teamwork, sportsmanship, and respect to discipline. So here are the content. Exercise programs training, guidelines, FITT, principles, endurance, muscle, and bone strengthening activities. So here are the content. Exercise programs training guidelines, FITT, principles, endurance, muscles, and bone strengthening activities. So there are three types of sports: individual sports, dual sports, and combative sports. So first, individual sports. So first we go to individual sports. Running. It is exercise that involving rapidly leg movement to propel the body forward. So it also improves our endurance, speed, and lower body strength. Rhythmic sportive gymnastics. A sport combining gymnastics, dance, and apparatus manipulation like ribbons and hoops. Lastly, for individual is swimming. A full body aquatic exercise where body moves through water using coordinated arm and leg movements. So you need to move your arm and leg rapidly so you can go forward fluently. It enhances cardiovascular fitness, muscle strength, and flexibility with low joint impact. Next, we go to dual sports. First is badminton, a racket sport played indoors or outdoors where players hit shuttlecock over a net. It requires agility, quick reflexes, and hand-eye coordination and cardiovascular endurance. Next is table tennis, also known as ping pong. So do you know what is ping pong? It is a fast-paced racket sport played on a small table where players hit a lightweight ball back and forth. It emphasizes quick reflexes, precision, and hand-eye coordination. Next is tennis, a racket sport played on a court where players hit a ball over a net aiming to score points. It is similar to table tennis but a more heavier ball. It develops speed, power, agility, and strategic thinking. So next is combative sports. Arnis or Anyo, a Filipino martial art focusing on stick fighting, empty-handed techniques, and weapon-based combat. It develops coordination, speed, and self-defense skills. You need to defend yourself so that the opponent cannot score. Next is karate, a Japanese martial art emphasizing striking techniques such as punches, kicks, and knee strikes along with blocks, and kata means forms. It promotes discipline, strength, and self-defense. Lastly is taekwondo, a Korean martial art known for its high, fast kicks and jumping, spinning techniques. It enhances flexibility, power, speed, and martial mental focus. Question time. Is it important to know the individual, dual, and combative sports? Just drop your answers in the comment section. Last is assignment. Choose two sports, either in individual, dual, or combative sports, and demonstrate it in the class next meeting. Thank you for watching. God bless us all.